Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of RM Cookbook. Hope you all been well, and today I have a very delicious vegetarian recipe. It's mixed vegetable, so I'm going to share with you that how to prepare this recipe. So first of all, we would need a heavy bottom frying pan where we would actually make everything in that pot. So as usual, we are adding our cooking oil, which is extra virgin coconut oil. To that we added a bit of a quarter teaspoon of 5 spices. These are Asian 5 spices. You can buy it from any Asian store or store local to you. And added 2 medium-sized onion. All we're going to do is just saute this onion and then add in a green chili just for flavoring purposes. But if you like your vegetable mix to be hot, you can actually add something like more green chilies to it. Now we are adding a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Just mix the whole thing together so that the onion has the opportunity to absorb all the flavor from the 5 spices and also the turmeric. As I said, you can buy the 5 spices or the mixture of 5 spices from any store local to you. Now we're going to add some cube size potatoes and carrots. The cube size should be slightly smaller than medium size because that allows the vegetables to get cooked thoroughly, and just mix the whole thing together. And to that we'll be also adding some salt and pepper based on your taste. Vary the amount, but over here we are only adding around a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of chili powder, as you can see. So mix the whole thing together, cover it up for a bit so that the potato and the carrots has the time to get cooked thoroughly. And we are now adding some cauliflower and some broccolis and just mix them together again. These are just frozen cauliflowers and broccolis. We just defrosted it, so it will get quickly cooked anyway. So again, just mix the whole thing together, cover it up, let the whole vegetables cook, and the last ingredient we'll be adding is just a little bit of green peas. So we'll be adding frozen green peas purely because green peas gets cooked really quickly. And just mix the whole thing together again and just cover it up for 3 to 4 minutes, and you will have your mixed vegetable dish fully prepared and ready. In Asian countries, these are actually called, this dish is known as aloo kopi bhaji. So kopi means broccoli and cauliflower, and bhaji means the process of cooking because it's fried. So hope you like this recipe, and a quick taste test over here. The way to know that your vegetables are thoroughly cooked is when you know that the vegetables are no longer crunchy. So that's basically it. This is how easily you can make this delicious vegetarian dish. Hope you like this. If you did, give us a like, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel if you're a new subscriber. And thanks again for taking the time to watch this video.